Taushen, austauschen, umtauschen. What is the difference between these German verbs? Taushen, umtauschen, austauschen. Most often, people use this verb in a confused manner. And this video from D Sales Academy would help you to use these verbs in the correct form as well as in the correct usage. Tauschen means to exchange something for something else. Ich tausche mein Spielzeug gegen Schokolade. I exchange my doll or my toys for a chocolate. So there is an equal exchange happening. The toy is exchanged with chocolate. Next one is austauschen. Austauschen is often with information, exchanging of information. Wir haben lange Informationen über die Politik in Indien ausgetauscht. We exchanged a lot of information about politics in India. So it is austauschen, most often used with exchanging of information. And umtauschen. Umtauschen is again an exchange, and most often it is used with exchanging of money or exchanging of rupee with euro and so weiter. So that is about umtauschen. Umtauschen also, there are situations in which we use, you exchange something for something else in the shop. You have purchased the jeans and that doesn't fit you well, and you go to the shop and you exchange it for a new one. That's also known as umtauschen. Ich habe gestern 100 Euro in rupees umgetauscht. I changed or I exchanged 100 euro in rupees. And my dear friends, these were three important verbs of German language, most often used in a mixed way: tauschen, umtauschen, austauschen. Tauschen means to exchange something for something else. Austauschen is used most often to speak about exchanging of information. Umtauschen is used for changing of euro into rupees or dollar into rupees and so weiter. So when you are exchanging money, we use umtauschen. There are situations in which we use umtauschen in order to exchange things. One thing you exchange for something else. Hope you enjoyed this video from D Sales Academy and wish you very best, and thank you.